The Boeing 747 begins as aerospace-grade aluminum and titanium. Every component starts with carefully inspected. Precision laser cutters shape the first fuselage sections. Every cut must meet aerospace tolerances. Each panel receives thousands of precision-drilled holes. Computer-controlled machining guarantees accuracy. Every panel is thoroughly cleaned before shaping. Surface preparation is essential for aircraft strength.
The flat metal now takes the iconic 747 shape. Huge presses form the aircraft's curved body.
The laser scanners verify every millimeter. Only perfect panels continue forward.
Alignment sequence complete. Starboard frame secured.
The aircraft skin now wraps around the frame. Perfect alignment is critical before fastening. Thousands of rivets permanently secure the aircraft. Robots ensure consistent structural strength.
The first fuselage section advances to the next stage. Now the iconic Boeing nose begins to take shape.
The famous 747 cockpit starts to emerge. Every frame is aligned to exact standards.
Pin alignment looks good on the starboard side. Copy that, proceeding with securing sequence.
The forward fuselage is now permanently assembled. Next, the giant wing structure begins to come together. The forward fuselage reaches the heart of the aircraft. Next comes the powerful wing center structure. Strong wing spars carry the aircraft's enormous weight. Each spar is machined with micron-level precision. Precision inspection ensures structural perfection. Every measurement must meet aerospace standards. Lightweight ribs create the wing's internal framework. They provide strength without unnecessary weight. The internal wing skeleton comes together. Each rib is aligned with remarkable accuracy. The wing begins to receive its aerodynamic surface. Perfect alignment is essential for flight. Thousands of rivets lock the wing together. Automation delivers unmatched consistency. The wing also serves as the aircraft's fuel tank. Every seam must be perfectly sealed. Pressure tests confirm leak-free fuel tanks. Only flawless wings continue forward. Flaps and ailerons give the aircraft precise control. They are built for smooth and reliable movement. Hydraulic power moves the giant control surfaces. Every connection is carefully secured. Thousands of electrical connections power the aircraft. Every cable follows a carefully planned route. Every wing system is tested before installation. Reliability is verified long before flight. The completed wing is ready to meet the fuselage. This is one of the most critical assembly stages. The Boeing 747 finally begins to look like an airplane. Next comes the installation of its massive landing gear and engines. The aircraft now moves into heavy systems integration. Next comes the powerful landing gear structure. The giant landing gear is carefully installed. It must support hundreds of tons during landing. Hydraulic systems bring the landing gear to life. Every connection is carefully verified. The landing gear performs its first full cycle. Smooth movement confirms precise assembly.
The Boeing 747 now stands on its own wheels. The next stage focuses on the tail.
The towering vertical tail arrives. It gives the aircraft directional stability. The aircraft's tail is permanently secured. Precision fastening ensures structural integrity. The horizontal stabilizers complete the tail. They help maintain balance during flight.
The tail control surfaces are now installed. They guide the aircraft safely through the sky.
Strong pylons prepare the aircraft for its engines. They must carry enormous loads during flight.
Keep coming down slowly. Pins lined up. Okay, drop it, we're seated.
The first engine is securely mounted. Vital fuel and control systems are connected.
All 4 engines are now in position. The Queen of the Skies gains its power. Electronic diagnostics verify every engine connection. The aircraft prepares for full systems integration. The Boeing 747 is now structurally complete. Next comes the installation of its advanced systems and interior. Thousands of electrical cables bring the aircraft to life. Every connection follows a careful engineered route. The cockpit receives its advanced electronic systems. Every computer is essential for safe flight.
The pilot controls are carefully assembled. Precision movement is checked at every stage.
The flight deck powers up for the first time. Every system performs a complete self-check. The passenger cabin begins to take shape. Lightweight materials maximize efficiency.
The cabin interior is assembled piece by piece. Comfort begins with precise installation. Passenger seating fills the spacious cabin. Every row is aligned for comfort and safety. Galleys and lavatories complete the cabin layout. Essential systems are connected for operation.
Safety equipment is installed throughout the aircraft. Every emergency system undergoes careful testing.
The finished cabin undergoes a final inspection. Every detail must meet Boeing standards.
The aircraft exterior is carefully prepared. A flawless surface is essential for painting. A protective primer shields the aircraft from corrosion. It creates the perfect base for paint. The aircraft receives its iconic airline colors. Multiple paint layers ensure lasting protection.
Every painted surface is inspected by hand. The finish must be flawless before testing.
The Boeing 747 is now fully assembled and painted. Next comes the moment every aircraft is built for, its first tests. The completed Boeing 747 enters its final testing phase. Every onboard system must prove its reliability. The aircraft powers up for complete diagnostics. Every critical system reports its status. The aircraft's control surfaces move for the first time. Every response is checked with extreme precision. The first engine comes to life. The unmistakable sound signals a major milestone.
All 4 engines are now running together. The Queen of the Skies is almost ready to move.
The engines demonstrate full operating power. Performance data confirms healthy operation.
The aircraft moves under its own power for the first time. Taxi testing verifies safe ground handling. The aircraft reaches near takeoff speed. Final ground checks are successfully completed.
The aircraft is ready for its historic first flight. Months of manufacturing lead to this moment.
The Queen of the Skies leaves the ground. Years of engineering become reality.
Test pilots verify the aircraft in the air. Every maneuver confirms its performance.
The Boeing 747 returns safely to the runway. The first flight is a complete success.
Engineers carefully analyze every flight result. The aircraft proves it meets its design goals.
The Boeing 747 is officially accepted by its customer. It is now ready to begin commercial service.
From raw aluminum to an aviation legend, the Boeing 747's journey is complete.
The Queen of the Skies is ready to connect the world.